Yo, hello everybody. How are you? Very cool video, very cool. One guy from Italy asked me and sent me the link. One guy in Fiat 500 with semi-automatic start the engine with low battery, without starter, and asked me if it possible make in Toyota. And what? Yes, it's possible. I did it. Now I will show you. Okay, so how to do it? In this car I have the start stop button. Okay, so when with key it's easy, but is this also easy? But just when I will move in and the speedometer will have some number, I can't turn off the switch and need to hold this button. Okay, so I'm turn off the switch, turn off. Now I have the car with low battery and I need to start it with some pushing or pipe. Okay, how to do it? We need that the engine will start cranking. Okay, for example, it's I'm turn on the switch, that okay. Now I'm going to manual mode, second gear. With second gear much more easy and will know any load for engine, and I will release the brake. I'm on the mountain, little mountain, okay, and the car will start moving. And I will turn off the switch on the second gear. And when I will turn off the switch, the clutch actuator will release the clutch and engine will start cranking. And in this moment, I will turn on the switch again and engine continue working. Yeah, let's go. I'm released the brake. I'm on the second gear, you see? But clutch now, it's pulled. I'm start moving. I need some speed. Okay, so I turn off the switch. Engine start cranking, turn on. And I'm moving. Yeah, it starts without starter. Working.